Hello and welcome to another FGTN Fishing Gear and Tech News podcast episode. I'm your host, Alex Tim, and today we've got a short update for you, but it is packed with some good quality content. First up, that's right, onX Fish Minnesota is now an app in the Apple App Store. It is not on the Android, the Google Play App Store yet. Hopefully it's coming to Android soon. This is an app I have been waiting for. It is available on the web browser version for anybody that wants to access it. That's what I have to do even for my mobile phone. It works okay, but the app version is going to be sick. So if you live in Minnesota and you want to try this app out, you can go ahead and go to the App Store. I'll have the links to everything we talk about here, as always, linked down below and pinned in the top comment box as well. This is a beta, which is why it's only in Minnesota. It's a lot. If you haven't seen any of the other episodes where I've talked about this, I'll give you a little bit of detail on it. Fishing spots, species distribution, public-private land ownership. This is one that you probably are thinking onX hunt. That probably makes sense. Species survey data overview. This is a huge one. Regulations, customized waypoints, lake access points, recent satellite imagery, and more. This is their page that they have, onxmaps.com/fish/app. Again, I'll have it linked down below. If everything goes well in Minnesota, they're going to extend to other states as well. So if you fish Minnesota or you live in Minnesota, I'd highly recommend checking it out. I've got the web version of it, and it is awesome. So you can see here what it looks like. This is what it actually looks like in the online version as well. You can find lakes to fish using fishing spots. You can identify your target water by filtering specific species. Of course, the different land ownership, so you can figure out where you can get access to the water. Know what to expect with fish species size and distribution survey data. What's really cool about this app is they've integrated in with the Minnesota DNR and all of their survey data. So when you actually pull this up, you can see which lakes, which rivers, which areas you have a potential to catch the biggest fish. So if you want to go out and target walleye, you want to go out and target sunfish, big bluegill, perch, crappie, whatever you want to go and target, you can go in this app. You can go lake by lake around in your area, and you can see what that size is. You can see the distribution data. You can see the last time of the survey. And then you can pick out the lake that you want to go to. You can pin a couple spots. It is actually really, really cool, the data that's in here. They do have a paid version of this that gives you more layers on it as well. You get satellite imagery, waypoints that we had talked about, use the tracker to mark your path. I do believe they have a 7-day trial going as well right now, but check it out. This is onX Fish. This is a really, really powerful app. Next up, new piece of gear that was just announced. Believe it or not, ice fishing gear is already getting announced for the upcoming ice season. Nordic Legend, which is a company that's been around for several years now. They have hub shelters, they have ice fishing suits, they have quite a few different things. They've now announced the Nordic Legend Warrior 800 insulated 4+ ice shelter coming soon. $499, so an attractive price point. The coloring pattern on it is one of the best that they have, in my opinion, in terms of the look and feel about it. You can see here what it looks like set up outside. You can see the inside. It's that bright interior with that kind of reflective material to really reflect that light, so that it's really nice with just maybe one light in there, or even daytime, just having the windows open, a big bag, and then you can see like a mock-up of what it looked like when they were probably in the design phases. This is 300D fabric with blackout coating. It blocks wind and light. Has the 4 main walls and 4 extra walls. So you can see here how it's set up. You've got your main walls over here and a main wall over here, and then you've got a partial wall here. It's that way all the way around it, which is giving you more space. You have 2 large diamond doors for easy in and out. This is what they call their diamond door. It is from the bottom, it goes straight across, it comes up, and then it comes back down. So it gives you a lot larger opening on this kind of half wall that they have here, which is really awesome. And there's 2 of those. There's 6 large TPU windows and 2 side vents, wide skirt for snow banking, 12 heavy-duty ice anchors are included, a propane port, 4 heavy-duty anchor straps, an oversized carry bag, 80 inches in center height, and 102 square feet of fishable square footage on the inside. You can see they got a couple rod holders in here as well. They've got a little bit of a storage pocket here. I imagine there's one of those here and then one on the opposite wall from that one. You can see these windows here. They do have Velcro going over them, similar to a lot of what we've seen in other products from them and others, where that will flap down, Velcros up to do some light blocking, insulation, as well as keeping it dark if you want it dark in there as well. They got a lot of other things, but this is new this year. We'll wait to see more about this product and a ton more as we get closer to ice fishing season. I don't expect to see anything else until early August. August 1st, maybe we're going to see some stuff. I may tell you guys more about it, so subscribe to the channel if you want to see more about ice fishing gear. iCast is coming up in July, and I will be going to iCast, and typically there's some ice fishing gear there that's new and announced for the upcoming year. I will cover that content and have it on the channel as well. So stay tuned. Otherwise, August is really when it starts kind of picking up with the early launches. September, it's even more, and then by October, everything's out and announced and it's ready to go. Bubba has got a sale that has been extended through Father's Day. This was only a sale that was going Memorial Day. They extended it through Father's Day, up to 35% off specific products on their website, which you can see here. So if we click shop now, it'll take us right to the page. Again, I'll have this link down below for you. They've got pistol grip pliers, the stainless steel pliers. They've got the 12-inch flex blades, and you can just see all of the things that they got in here that are currently on sale. So check it out on their website. If you're interested, I'll have a link down below to bring you right to the deal page. Omnia Fishing has some deals right now. 30% off all fishing line, currently available through June 18th. So as of right now, filming this video, you got 6 days left, right before midnight. It does exclude the Shimano Mastiff line, but as you can see here, there's some other great ones that are included. They also have $100 off a Bubba Pro Series scale when you sign up for Omnia Pro, which is a I think they say it's $44 right now. I think I paid $50 for it a couple of months ago, so that's a good deal. Save $6 there. And if you want the scale, you can't really beat that deal. $100 off is actually a really good deal. This is the scale that I have, and I absolutely love it. So that's a good deal. And then 20% off Bass Mafia dangerous and loaded swim baits if you're interested in them. I've never used them, but it is a deal that they got going. And then Humminbird has a Father's Day promotion. Instant savings, get $500 off through the end of the month. Lots of other deals that are on here. I won't read them to you, but you can check out the page. I'll have this linked down below. And this episode is brought to you by the channel members on the channel. I have a membership available on the YouTube channel. If you want to check it out, you go to the YouTube page and you click join. It will pop up this page where you can see if you want to be a gold member, elite member, or a legend member. There's no difference in the benefits that you're getting from each of these other than the level of support that you're giving the channel. The only reason why I do this is I don't work with any of the fishing gear and tech brands because I want to provide you with unbiased content so I can get any of the gear from any of the brands, compare them head to head, be transparent. If one thing really stinks, I can tell you that. And it doesn't matter if it's one brand 1 year, another brand another year. I'm not telling you to buy something or what I recommend because I'm getting paid by them or I have a professional relationship with them. I don't do deals and correlate myself exclusively with any of the fishing gear and tech brands. So that's one of the benefits. But by doing that, that limits any of those sponsorships and those opportunities. So I've got a handful of great members of the channel already that help support the channel. So I really appreciate it. It helps me do what I love doing, which is providing free content to all of you to help you find and decide on your next fishing purchase, hopefully save you some time, hassle, and get a little entertainment out of it as well. Some of the benefits that you get out of this, you get some cool badges, some cool emojis, but I've started doing at least a couple times a week behind the scenes, either live streams or pre-recorded videos that are only exclusive to the members. Don't worry, I'm not taking away any of the core content away from the free channel. That is always going to be free and available and accessible to everybody. I won't put it behind a paywall, but just some extra behind the scenes, raw, uncut, answering questions, literally whatever these members need, I'm there to answer their questions and help them out, whether it's picking out something that they need to buy, trying to compare things, they want to see something that I'm doing, they just want to chat, go on a live stream. We do it all. So if you're interested in helping support the channel, that is what allows these live streams to continue and be free. So thank you so much for all of the members currently a part of the channel. Northland Fishing Tackle has some great deals for Father's Day and beyond as well. They've got the free Rumblebug Micro Kit on orders of 75 or more. They recently announced the new Minnesota Mullet. So this is a brand new bait that they've got. They've got a huge summer giveaway coming up. Father's Day sale at Cabela's. This is actually a pretty big one. Save up to 40% Father's Day sale. Again, I'll have it linked down below. Now through June 16th, so 4 more days. They've got a ton of things here, all filtered down just to the fishing stuff, because they've got a lot of things on their Father's Day sale. So everything from a folding fillet table to scales to reels. I mean, everybody here knows what Cabela's and Bass Pro, they're the same, have to offer. So check out the link down below if you're interested in checking it out. They've got deals on just a wide assortment of just about everything. So if you're looking for something, now may be a good time. And another deal that I want to show you is from Rapala. This is the retractable line scissors. This can cut through any size line that you have, any material line that you have. It's currently 33% off on Amazon. If you have Prime, it's free shipping as well. Pretty good deal. These things are always come in handy. I got them all over my boat, on my ice fishing gear, my tackle bags. These things are awesome just to have handy wherever you are, just within arm's reach. Clip it onto your PFD or whatever you got on your ice fishing suit. These are awesome as well. So that's what we got for the episode. If you want to see more content on the channel about new fishing gear and tech, check out this playlist right here on the screen. And until next time, take it easy.